Alright everyone, thanks for joining in tonight's break. It's the 2013-14 Upper Deck SPX. The last team that ended tonight was the Winnipeg Jets, March 5th at 9:29. Box number 207-144-874. And the current time is Wednesday, March 5th at 9:40. 10 minutes after this ended. 207-144-874. So guys, I do have more of this on, I don't know if I showed the serial number. I think I did. 207-144-874. I had more of this on for tomorrow night, and there's a case break of Dominion on there. There's only like 19 teams still available. The rest sold through the website. So you can check it out, capercards.com. I just want to say something about like products like this. I've been getting a lot of requests for the base cards from them. If you want the base cards from your team, the best thing to do is to leave a message in the order details. That way when I'm getting the mail ready, I can see there's a note from the buyer, and I can check what numbers you need, or if it's like to finish off a set. I can't guarantee I can always accommodate it. It really depends on the weight of the parcel. Like, I don't mind sending somebody a couple base cards, but when it puts it over the weight limit, it pretty much doubles the shipping price. And if everybody wanted their base cards, I mean, I'd be out money by the time I was, done shipping everybody's stuff. And also, if you want base cards, it is going to delay your items. For me to sort through and do everything, the people that aren't wanting base cards, I usually get their mail ready first. And then if there's a note where they want base cards or whatever, I do leave it till the very last pieces of mail to go. So you can keep that in mind. Like I said, if somebody needs a card or two to finish a set, I really don't mind sending them out. But just like I said, just keep in mind, guys, like the weight of the parcel and where it is free shipping and stuff. It's for rookie, Colorado Avalanche, Nathan McKinnon. We have a patch in here. Winning Materials, dual stick. The Boston Bruins, Johnny Busick. That focus. Those ones aren't numbered. Johnny Busick. For the rookie for the Ducks, Sammy Vatanen. Retro die cut for the Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. Retro die cut for the Stars, Tyler Seguin. Foil rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Vignes Gurgensons. Winning materials for the Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf for the Ducks. Foil rookie for the Red Wings, Danny DeKeyser. Foil rookie for the San Jose Sharks, Freddie Hamilton. Foil rookie for the LA Kings, Martin Jones. Rookie materials for the Minnesota Wild, Jonas Brodin. Did we get her autograph yet? Oh. Spin this pack. Oh, the Toronto Maple Leafs. Autograph rookie jersey, card number 357 of 499 from Morgan Riley. And the bonus pack. The Buffalo Sabres, number 458 of 499, Mark Pysyk. For the Sabres. So, thanks guys for joining in, and more this time for tomorrow night. Have a good night. Thanks.